An ungrateful country. That's how the Police Federation head is labeling Jamaica. At today's funeral for slain policeman Constable Ricardo Hilton, Sergeant Patrero launched a verbal assault on the Independent Commission of Investigations Indicom, Jamaicans for Justice, parliamentarians and the public. Giovanni Dennis reports.
He called it a reflection of service for a hero, but the chairman of the Police Federation was reflecting on much more than the life of Ricardo Hilton, his colleague who was buried today. Sergeant Patrero delivered an all-out verbal onslaught. Noting the job of police is uneasy, he called out what he deemed unfortunate comments on social media.
And it is because he served in this country and served people who hide behind social media and celebrate the killing and injury of police officers.
He appeared to take a jab at human rights group Jamaicans for Justice.
There are groups within this country that profess to be human rights group who are not Jamaicans interested in justice, but Jamaicans against the police who are only interested in status and international funding, who have never spoken out against any injustice against the police, but provide a platform for criminals to profess their mendacious accounts.
He insists that many Jamaicans treat the police with disregard.
Because he served an ungrateful country that cannot appreciate that it is out of love and sheer commitment why anyone could leave the safety of their homes, sleep deprived, and work long hours to make someone else safe.
He then turned to parliamentarians and the Independent Commission of Investigations.
Evil parliamentarians refer to us as killers because it is popular to do and try to appease supposedly independent commission who is more interested in proving the public perception true rather than showing the evidence that is not.
Sergeant Rowe bemoaned the leadership in Parliament for not leading in declaring a national day of mourning when police officers are killed, and also berated the level of insurance for rank-and-file officers as well as legal support in some cases.